If you want to change the world, this is how you do it. You bring morality into the world, and you make people sin less. So you probably know I'm getting at by now, but I'm a Christian, and Christian values can save this world. Now, all of you who might watch this might disagree with me, and that's okay. Leave a comment if you disagree. But let me tell you some of the things that Christian values allow and disallow. Christian values allow families to be families, stay happy and not divorced or separated, which affects kids. But that's not all. Another thing that Christianity allows is not to murder anybody. You can imagine if you can send your kid to school and there be less gun violence? Well, I'm happy to tell you that if you kids have Christian values, they won't be murdering anyone because they know what happens to people who murder. They go to hell. Hell is so scary, and if you disagree with that, I'll make a video later on, so subscribe to hear why hell is scary. But be no more school shootings. Murderers will be less likely to murder. So that is a few things that you can actually agree on if you're a leftist or a righty. I'm in the middle here, so